Hi guys, today I'm going to make a donut. So if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. This is our ingredients, 2.5 cup of plain flour. That's 2.5. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. 2 tablespoons, so 1, 2. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1. I have already melted here, so I just put. So it's 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we're going to add a 1 medium egg. Then followed by 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. 2 tablespoons, there's 1, 2. And then now we're going to add 3/4 cup warm milk. Just pour that over. So we're going to mix it all together. I'm gonna use by my hand shortly just to get this oil absorb the milk. So I have all it done. I'm gonna cover this and let it rise for 1 hour. Okay, then cover it. See? You're watching me instead of you helping me. I cover this and let it rise for 1 hour. So we just put aside. We need to put some towel in the top. Now, see? See you later. See you later, donut. So we see the donut after 1 hour. Oh, wow, it's ready now. See? We're going to mold the donut now. Now we start with the half first to mold as a donut. We're going to make this like a ball first, already cut. And we're going to press it like this and then make a hole. So let's look like a donut now. Just like that, easy like that. We're going to cover this again and rise it for another 1 hour. So after 1 hour, I'm gonna put some sugar in the big bowl here because we're going to fry the donut now. So after you fry the donut, you just put the donut here in the sprinkle. We're going to fry this donut now, and I have oil here preheated already in a medium heat. we're gonna fry this until it's golden brown, and then you can turn over when you can see it's golden in the bottom. Looks so yummy. It's ready now. So after drying the donut, we're going to put in the sugar bowl like this. Anybody want to try it? She is our taster for today. What do you think?